Hello guys, you're welcome. Now we're going to be talking about how the HTML interface looks like. Alright, in the HTML document, you are going to be seeing a first text called doc type. So you're going to be seeing something like this. Doc type, okay, okay, doc type HTML. Yeah, so you're going to be seeing something like this. Now, what does doc type stand for? Doc type tells your web browser what type of document you're handling. This time around, you put HTML here to tell the uh, web browser that you're working with HTML document. And also, this is the latest HTML version, which is HTML5. So you don't need to keep writing the version of the HTML file here. Let's say HTML 4.0 or 4.5 and so on and so forth. You just use this interface or this arrangement to tell your web browser that yes, this is a HTML document. Now, what comes after the doc type? You're going to have HTML itself. Now, this HTML tag, this should be the first tag after your doc type. So you should have something like this. This is the opening tag, and then guess what we'll have next? Yeah, you guessed that correct. We're going to have the closing tag. So this is it. Everything you do in your web page will be contained in these two tags, the opening and closing HTML tag. Now, don't worry about these spaces I'll give here. Your web browser doesn't take note of these spaces. So what comes after the HTML tag? Okay, you guessed that correctly. That's the head tag. So you should have your head tag next. Now we should close that also. So we should close that around here. So we've closed that. Now the head tag contains what we call metadata, meta tags. Now we're not going to be discussing much about meta tags. We'll see them later on in the class. Now, the most important thing contained in your head tag is your title element. And then what code do we use for the title? You guessed that correctly. It is title itself. Now, this is the opening title element tag, and then this is the closing title element tag. Sorry. So let's close that around here. There we go. So now you're getting close to accomplishing your task of getting the HTML interface. And this is your title. Your title is the title of your HTML document, and it will be displayed at the top left corner of your web browser. So the title will be the title of your document. Now, after the head section, we should have what we call a body section. This body will contain every code you write. You are not writing any code in your head tag. You're not writing any codes in your head tag. Yeah, you're writing everything in your body section. So the body section is a very important section of this web development. So we're going to close it around here. Yeah, we'll have something like this. And the body section contains, that is where you will see the elements and the tags that are contained in HTML. So the body section is a very important section of this code. Now let's use one tag here. So let's say we use the first tag, and that is the h1 tag. So let's say we used h1 tag here. H1 stands for first header. I guess you already know that. So let's duplicate that and close it. So let's close it around here. Cool. Now this H1 stands for header 1. This will be the first and the greatest header of your web page. So let's just type a little text here. Let's say TechTitan. Okay. TechTitan web page. Okay, cool. Now after the head comes the paragraph. So we're going to put a little paragraph tag here, and then we're going to describe the web page here. So let me close that around here. Always remember to close your tags. Always remember to close your tags. Now the paragraph, let's just write a little description about our web page. So let's say this is Tech Titans web page for web development and programming. So we have something like this. Now guys, congratulations, you've gotten your HTML template or the first interface. So this is how it looks like, and I hope you understood everything about it. If we should paste this on our web browser, you'll see how it looks like in a bit. So let's copy this and let's go paste it in our SPCK editor. Let's see how it will look like. So guys, I'm in my SPCK editor and I have pasted this here. So let's see how it will look like if we should launch this. So remember your launch button is here. So we click on that and then we'll have this. So this is our first web page, and we'll have TechTitan web page, and it says this is TechTitan's web page for web development. And oh, I made a mistake right there. I wrote programming. So let's go correct that here in our code, and then we can say programming there. Cool. So we will launch that again, and then we see it's gone. Programming. So this is how simple it is to put stuff on your web page. And then thank you guys. I hope you understood this introduction, and see you in the next video.